and you can make a lot of money because you need just to post 3 to 4 times a day your ads and then mix those ads with great content, and you will make up to 5,000 a month just by simply posting stuff on a Telegram channel. In this video I'm going to give you the 5 best ways on how you can make money using Telegram. Telegram is a simple app where you can send message. It's similar to Facebook Messenger, it's similar to WhatsApp, but it's better. It's better because you don't have a lot of restrictions, you have a ton of freedom, and you can create channels, secret chats, and you can engage with a ton of people. And in the next minutes I will give you 5 ways on how you can make money by just using this app. You can do it from wherever you want and from the comfort of your house. And it's simple, it doesn't require money investment, and it does not require a ton of time. So the strategy number 1 is pretty much to create a channel. You need to go on Telegram and create a channel around a topic. Let's say for example soccer. In that channel you will post soccer content, soccer videos, soccer tips, everything around soccer. So you will attract a ton of people that are interested in soccer. You can even spam, I say spam, but you can just share your Telegram channel on your Instagram, on other platforms, and even do ads to grow your Telegram channel. Once you have a few hundred people inside that group, you can keep posting the content that you was posting at the beginning, soccer videos, soccer tips, soccer news, and then you need to add some products, some affiliate products. You can buy them, you can take them from Amazon, from other platforms, for example ClickBank or CJ Affiliate. Just find some products that are involved in the soccer niche, for example shoes, or a simple course where you can share the tips, how to maybe kick the ball, how to run faster, how to see maybe better the people inside your team, and so on. So you will pretty much create a ton of content around a topic, and then once you have some people that follow that content and they are engaged and they are interested in what you are posting, you just need to post simple offers around that topic as an affiliate. So if for example you post a course that it costs $50 and it will teach you how to kick a ball in the right way to win the match, then you will make for example $10 of commission every time that someone buys that product. And if just 10 people will buy your course, will buy the affiliate product, you will earn $100. And if you can do this every day with multiple offers, you can make up to $200 or $300 a day just by selling affiliate product through your Telegram channel. And you have also a ton of people to speak with. You are happy because you are doing something that you like. Because if you don't like soccer, don't use soccer. If you like, for example, computer, just make a Telegram channel around computer. Just make sure that you like that topic, because I had this problem. I have created a few Instagram pages around topic that I didn't like, and the problem is that I didn't have motivation to grow those pages, and then I've got few thousand followers and then I've stopped it just because I didn't like to go and look for pictures for topics that I was not interested. So make sure that you are interested in the topic that you chose. The second strategy is to always go on Telegram, create a channel, and create a really broad and big channel. Maybe it can be a news channel, or it may be just maybe a gossip channel, or something that a ton of people are interested. Let's say that you want to create some news channel. Okay, right now you need to post all the news, or maybe repost from other websites the news into your local area, and then it will be really easy to grow that page into your local area, because the word of mouth will pretty much share your page everywhere, and you will find maybe in just a few months have thousands of people inside your Telegram channel that are just looking for your news, for your information and everything. And there you can just use the channel as an advertising platform, because for example you can go into a company and say, hi, I have this Telegram channel where I have 3,000 people. Those 3,000 people are, everybody is here in this local area, and they are interested in maybe news. Do you want to place an ad inside this group? And then you can maybe say, okay, it's $20 or it's $50, depending on the marketplace and depending on the size of the group. But by doing that, you can make a ton of money, because a lot of people want to advertise, especially if you have a big group of people, and then $50 to $100 is not a lot for a business, and they will probably 99% say yes, that they want to advertise there. And you can make a lot of money, because you need just to post 3 to 4 times a day your ads, and then mix those ads with great content, and you will make up to 5,000 a month just by simply posting stuff on a Telegram channel. And you can do it from home without any investment. The strategy number 3 is to create a channel where inside the channel you share a ton of value. For example, if you are a social media expert, you need to create a channel where you share all your secrets, all your strategies, how you get clients, the best Facebook ads, how to grow your Instagram page, all those topics that really works. And you make the people to pay, for example, $10 a month to get in and stay in the group, so they will constantly have new information, they will constantly learn, they can help each other, and you will earn $10 from every single person that is in the group, and this every month. Just say, for example, that if you have 1,000 people inside your Telegram group and each of them pay just $10, you will have $10,000 a month just from people that are inside your Telegram channel. And this is awesome, because it's something that you already know, you already have the knowledge around social media, around business, around marketing, or it can be whatever you want. And for the other person, just pay $10 and have, for example, every day 2 or 3 tips about business is an incredible thing. So make sure to create something really valuable and something that the people want to share with their friends, and they are interested to get in. And by doing this, you will see that you will make a ton of money, you will have a ton of connections, and if you need to build a team, you know that inside that group you already have committed people that want to learn, want to improve, and they are willing to invest in themselves. The strategy number 4 is to just type message with other people. You have a ton of friends inside your phone, and on Telegram it's very easy to reach out to your friends and ask them questions, ask them stuff, or just get in touch with them. So this is a great opportunity, especially if you right now have a business, if you have an e-commerce, if you want to start a business. Just make sure to connect with 5 to 10 people every day inside your phone and ask them how they are, if everything is good, what they do for a living, if they need maybe your service, if they have maybe some offers for you, and just ask them. And you will see that just if you have, for example, 100 people inside your phone, you will see that you will find some opportunities. Maybe they are doing some business, or maybe they are interested into your products and services. For example, I do website and social media marketing, and if I write to any person to my phone and ask them if they need that service, or if they need someone that needs that service, I will absolutely find 2 or 3 or 5 or maybe 10 people that are interested into my service. And this is because I have a website, so you can send the people to your website, you can ask information, but it's just simply talk with them and ask them if they are interested into your service. Yes, you need to have a product or service, but if maybe right now you are not working, you can look for opportunities, or maybe you can just look for help them to reach their goals, and they will absolutely pay you back. And the 5th way on how you can make money on Telegram is simply to create a channel around a topic. For example, let's say that you really like cats, and this is the same strategy that you can use on Instagram. You can pretty much create a channel around cats, post awesome content, and you will see that this will attract a ton of people inside your channel. Once you will have maybe 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 people inside your Telegram channel, you have an incredible amount of people that are interested in cats. And here you can go to businesses. You go directly to businesses that are involved in cats, in maybe product for cats, and you simply tell them, I have this channel where you can find 10, 20, 50,000 people, that every single person is interested in the niche of animals, cats, dogs, and I want to sell this group to you. I want to sell you this group and I charge you $3,000 because I know that if you just use that group for maybe 2 months, you will just make your money back 100% because you will just post some offers, some discounts, some products, and a ton of people will be interested and they will make money. So you can earn pretty much unlimited money selling your Telegram channel, and it's really simple because it costs you $0 to start. And especially if you like the topic, it will be something fun that you can do during the summer. But make sure to focus on all the social media platforms, not just on Telegram. And this is the reason because I have created this next video right here where I show you how you can post your Instagram photos from your computer without any software and for free. So you can save a ton of time and work directly from your computer. I see you there.